Hey guys, it's Kenya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my twist outs. It's very easy to do. You don't need a lot of products and it's a great protective style at that. So if you want to see how I did this, just make sure you keep watching.
My hair, my crown. Wear it how you want, girl. Show it off, go, girl. My hair, my crown. My hair, my crown.
I actually have no idea why I didn't talk during this part. All I'm really doing is taking my hair out of my puff and then I'm just shaking my hair out to prepare for the twist. I know at this point I probably look crazy, so I section the front parts of my hair because those are going to be the sections that I want to do like the neatest parts. I also separated the back like from the lower half to the top half. And for the back, I'm not even gonna lie, I did not part anything. I literally just like separated with my fingers and started twisting. But this is like the size section I'm doing. So I sprayed it down a little bit just because I'm gonna add more product to it. I probably took like a pump, like probably like a half a pump per section. Cause like I already have hair products in my hair. So there's no need to add more, or else it's just gonna feel waxy. If I feel any tangles, I'll just like work it out with my hands. Cause the only time I comb my hair is if I'm like in the shower washing my hair with tons of conditioner in it. Only time I comb my hair. Unless, like sometimes when I'm twisting it, you might see like when I'm twisting it, if I get to the ends and the ends are like to this point and they're tangled, I'll take like a little comb and like comb out the ends and then retwist it. The way I like to do my twist, the section that's closest to my face, I pull under and then wrap it. And I do that because it makes it look more tight on the side facing my face and what everyone else sees. So by doing that, it looks more pulled together. Because I'm not a fan of adding gel or anything to my roots. Okay, and as you see, I got to the bottom. I'm just going to comb the ends a bit. And then I wrap it around my finger. Okay, so I'm on my last little section. All these I did kind of bigger just because I'm probably not going to leave these in for as long. And I want it to have a lot of volume. Usually when I do my twist smaller, if I do my twist smaller and let them sit, the twists are great. However, like it's kind of flat. And I'm going to end up taking these out in a few days. So I'm going to do them nice and big because the bigger, the more definition, the fluffier, all that good stuff. I at least want the front to have some type of organization, for lack of better terms, because I'm going to be wearing this to work and out and about up until I take them out. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom first. This is the OGX Coconut Curls Curl Styling Milk. Part of me actually just wants to do the section in one, but I can't tell if it's going to be too big or not. Yeah, instead of splitting this one in two, I'm going to do one. Because I feel like two is going to be too skinny. Okay, so we're going to split it vertically. And then we're going to take this piece that's closest to my face and we're going to pull that over on top and then wrap that around to lock it there. And you're going to want to try to, at least the ones surrounding your face, make those a little tight at the root. But I mean, like if you're doing this like just for overnight and you're gonna take it out tomorrow, I guess that really doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to take a little comb comb the ends, twist it up. And you want to do that because like when you're wrapping the ends, you want your ends to blend well with the rest of your hair. Whether you're transitioning or even natural for years, your ends should match the rest of your hair. You can see what I'm talking about. And a tip for whenever you're doing your hair in the wintertime, if you spray water, follow it up with some type of product. You do not want to dry your hair out or get split ends. And we're done. Okay guys, so it is now Saturday morning and I twisted my hair on Tuesday, so I left them in for like 4 days. I'm just going to take coconut oil, take some on my hands. You don't want a lot, you just want enough to like coat your fingers, so no matter where you touch, you're not causing even more frizz. And then you're just going to, I'll show you this one. So you're gonna take your twist, and I just start at the top, take the two and pull them apart. And then I'll just like start to unravel. So for this one might be better. So take it, gently pull it apart. If you get to the ends and they start to snag, just like pull the end and then you'll see where they separate. And you just want to lightly unravel them. Keep doing that for everything. Now, back to my pick. I'm going to peek and peek and peek and continue to pick. Look at the difference. Now, in my last video where I was showing you how I revived my curls, I only really picked the roots. But I really want like that frizzy-ish volume type twist out, so I like kind of go in on my curls. Okay, so this is the final look. I just put some edge control on this side and bobby pinned it back just because I don't really like all my hair in my face, and I just picked it out a little more. Okay, so if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment below and make sure you also subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, okay? Like the video, comment on this video, and like always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.